Mounjaro, journey, Mounjaro, 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 journey. Hello, gorgeous. She is Tamika, and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika, and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika, and Tamika is me. Alright, so editing Tamika here. Alright, so if you already have seen this video, that's cool. All I did was clip this video out so it can be its own separate video of my first Mounjaro injection. Those who do not know, this is my third rodeo here. Okay, I was on Wegovy, Zepbound, and now Mounjaro. If you want to know how I got on Mounjaro, you will have to check out that first video. So, I have the Mounjaro. Let me take my stuff off of here. Okay, so this is the Mounjaro, all right, 5 milligrams. I am going to be taking this, like I said, every 2 weeks. It's the same type of instructions. You get instructions, so if this is your first time, this is what it would look like. Yours might say 2.5, but right now mine says 5 milligrams. He did have a 7.5 ready for me, but he was like, nah, that's too strong. Let's go to 5 milligrams. This is what your pen looks like. Remember to keep these refrigerated. So you get 4 pens. If you are just now starting off on your medication, you cannot follow my routine because I am still in I'm in a maintenance phase, okay? You will be taking yours every week. Just make sure you are consistent with taking it the same day, same time if you can. But and you just go by whatever your doctor wants you to do. But I'm taking mine every 2 weeks and then start doing once a month. Okay, so there are instruction guides on here for you, and you either take it in your stomach, the left, or take it around your navel, like not way over here. It's like my navel is right here, so it needs to be like right here or right there. So it's like around either this side or this side. Your thigh, so your front. Do it like right up in here, or you can do it on the back of your arm. I don't really care for the back of my arm because of the fact that I don't really have that type of, the suppression is not there. For me, it's not. So I usually like the thigh or the stomach, but before I quit Zepbound, I was always rotating from the left or to the right of my stomach. The thigh, it just felt a little sore and I didn't like that. So I'm gonna do this the right way, and I'm gonna go ahead and get an alcohol pad and rub and then go ahead and take the injection. Alcohol pad. Oop, that's a lot. All right, and so now I'm just gonna rub it right here. So looks like you just turn it. So unlock it, take it out. The pen is right there, and then you place it like right there, and you wait for 2 clicks. The first click, when you press the button, that's a click. The second one is once it is done dispensing into your body, okay? So for those of you who say you don't hear 2 clicks, the first click is the first click. Okay, Mounjaro, let's go. That's the second, and we're done. And then you just, I had a little bit of blood, not a lot. Okay. And then I just throw mine in the trash. And that's it. That is the end of that. And that, my friend, is how you take your injection. And then you store the rest in the refrigerator. So what I'm going to do, take my pens out, put it in a nice little cute bag, and then go from there. All right, so goodbye, gorgeous. All right, so I just filmed a short doing that. And that's it. So now I am on my Mounjaro journey. Mounjaro journey. Mounjaro journey. Anywho, let me go put this box up. Goodbye, gorgeous.